Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case your heated or memory mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Now all the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible. It's right here. To remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them together and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here there is a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the small fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 27, which is a small 7.5 amp fuse in the upper right corner, responsible for power to memory mirrors module. If your heated mirrors are not working, then you want to check fuse number 33, which is a small 10 amp right fuse located right here. And for the end there is one more fuse worth checking. It's a fuse number 45, which is again 7.5 amp fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.